Agada's math class. So today I'm going to be teaching the concept of basic fractions. So by definitions, what are fractions? Basic fractions are fractions that have a simple numerator, which is the number on top, and a denominator, which is the number below. Some examples of fractions are 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 3 over 4, 4 over 5. Fractions are considered basic because they have small numerators and denominators, which are often used in everyday lives. Like in all aspects of our lives, everything we do, we use fractions, either knowingly or unknowingly. Example, measuring ingredients for cooking. So if I want to put 1 cup of salt into a mixture, I can simply half cup of salt into a mixture. I can simply say put half cup of salt into this mix of flour. You and I know that half, which are used in that sentence or in that aspect of life, is a fraction. So therefore, fractions are used in everyday lives. Then dividing objects into parts. That okay, if you buy a pizza, me and one other person want to share a pizza, you can say okay, 1 over 3 of this pizza, which is the pizza divided into 3 pieces. 1 over 2 of that pizza, that is half, which is the pizza divided into 2 places. Yeah. Okay, so examples of how to write and read fractions. Like I said earlier, there are 2 parts of a fraction, which are the numerator and the denominator. The numerator is the number up, while the denominator is the number down. To write the fraction, the numerator will be written on top of a line or slash. The denominator will be written below that number or slash. Do you understand? Like if I want to write a fraction, I will have to write the numerator. Imagine the numerator is 1. I'll write 1, then slash or a line below that numerator. Then I'll write the denominator, which is the bottom number under it. That is how to write a fraction. I hope you understand. So reading a fraction. Example, 3/4 can be read as 3 over 4 or 3/4. Do you understand? That is just basic examples of reading a fraction. 1 over 2 can be read as 1/2 or half. 1 over 2, 1/2. You understand? So difference between the 3, there are 3 types of fraction actually, which is proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fractions. So the difference between the 3 types of fraction, in proper fraction, is a type of fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator, which is the number on top. It could be 2, it could be 1. Has to be less than the number below. Example of a proper fraction is 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 3 over 4, 4 over 5, and so on. While improper fraction is a type of fraction in which the denominator is less than the numerator. It is for proper fraction, it is a type of fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Yeah, it represents a part of a whole number, like 1. A part of 1 is going to be a proper fraction, maybe 1 over 2, because a part of 1 divided into 2 is 1 over 2, and that's a proper fraction. You understand? So improper fractions are fractions in which the numerator, the number on top, is greater than the number below the denominator. Improper fraction represents more than a whole or a whole plus a part. No! Example of improper fractions are 3 over 2, 5 over 3, and 7 over 4. You understand? Mixed numbers. Mixed numbers are a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Mixed numbers represent a whole plus a part. Example of mixed numbers are 1 whole number, 2 over 3. It can be written as 1 as a whole number, then a proper fraction. Mixed numbers are basically whole numbers plus proper fractions. So when it does not complete 2 whole numbers, it will be written as a mixed number, which is a whole number and a proper fraction. So the key difference between the three types of fraction is that proper fraction always shows a part of a whole number. Improper fraction shows more than a whole. And mixed number shows a combination of a whole and a part. Do you understand? So let me just go back to where I started from. This whole class was simply about basic fractions. It says basic fractions are the fractions that have a simple numerator and denominator, where the numerator is the one on top and the denominator is the one below. You understand? So, thank you for listening. My name is Agada Lawrence, and we'll go further into basic fractions in my next class. But this is just the introduction of basic fractions. Thank you for listening. I still remain Agada Lawrence, your mathematics teacher.